Oh crap! 200 million honey! Oh my! 50 million more and we can get the porcelain porta hive. Holy bazonkers. Let me fill up my backpack. I'm gonna fill up. There we go. 200 million freaking honey. Hi guys. We have made mad progress on the game. I have a gifted vicious bee and a photon bee. A gifted vicious bee and a photon bee. I forgot whatever the pack was called, but I bought the pack for 3,400 Robux. And I managed to get enough stingers and enough tickets to get a gifted vicious bee and a photon bee and still have 462 tickets left over. We just hit 200 million honey. Look in the top right. Holy. We collected almost 700 million overall. That's crazily awesome. Anyway, sorry for no webcam. I'm lazy. So, bye.